Look at here, this is abacus question. Okay, this question is so easy, but if you know about these things, then only. Okay. So we will check here. What first? 53. Look at here. Which of the following abacus show the sum of P and Q? Here P and Q. Okay, what is value here? 5 tens and 3 ones. 5 tens, 3 ones. So what is the short form? This short form is 53. Okay, and next, what is 1 10, 2 ones plus 3 tens. Okay, so here 53. This value is 53. Now we will check about this value. Okay, what they are written? 110, 2 ones. Okay, what is this? What is the short form of this? 1 tens means 1 and 2 ones means 2. 12. Okay, and then they ask 3 tens. 3 tens means 30, right? 12 plus 30. What is the value here? What is the value? What is the answer? That is 42. What? The value is 42 is equals to 42. So we will see here. We will find out two values, that is 53 and second value is 42. Okay, now here 53 plus 42 is how much? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. The value is 95. So on this scale we find out 95. Okay, now 95. Now here we calculate the beats. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 5. And this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, this is 9. Okay, so this is abacus question and we will solve this by the rules of ones and tens. Okay, if you know how to write ones and tens, then only you can solve this question. Okay, where is the confusion part? This is our confusion part, where this is. Okay, 1 tens, 2 ones plus 3 tens. Okay, don't do manually. Okay, write down all these things and do. Okay, we will do all the important question of place value of previous year question. So practice all this question and put a notes and take a practice of mental calculation. Okay, you can mentally add all the numbers and subtract all the numbers by practice only. Okay, the way of success is only practice. Okay, more practice. Okay, so what you do, 20 question daily, 20 question you do by mental work, mentally. Okay, without a pen. pen down session. Pen down session means do all the things in the mind. Okay, fine. Or for only 2 digit, okay, not for 3 digits, only practice 2 digit numbers. Okay, so practice all the questions and let me know what is your difficulty and what you want more from my side. Okay, thank you.